Good afternoon, guys. So today I'm planning to work on my RV, beautiful Arctic Wolf right here. And today specifically we're gonna work on leaf spring. So my leaf spring start failing, they start flattening out. Right now it sits on the jacks, so it's a little bit up in the air, but once I put the load on the wheels, those leaf springs is completely straight. So to avoid accidents down the road and ended up with broken leaves and maybe even worse, I purchased new leaf springs. They're a little bit different from what I have now. This one is 4 leaves and I get 6 leaves. It's only, I believe, 1 inch different, higher, and I show you in the middle in a minute. I'm going to take it right now and I will show you what I got. But yeah, so today at least I'm planning to do one side, and tomorrow hopefully I can finish the other one. So I don't have much time today, only like 3 hours to work on the trailer. It's gonna be lots of fun. Yeah. And I also get a Morryde middle shackle right here and easy loop bolts. Let me set it up, and but first thing first, I'm gonna extend my awning all the way because the sun is turning and it's gonna be super hot right now with about 33 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty hot, and I don't want to do that such a work and be all sweaty and wet. No fun. So let's extend this one. Yeah, we'll stop a little bit like that, just to release tensions, I believe. Oh, that's what I heard. It's nice, go halfway, stop for a little bit, and then continue extending. Same way when you retracting it. Also, I usually do halfway, then stop, wait a little bit, and then continue. And we are done. Yeah, so this one gonna give me lots of shade to work on this side. And yeah, but first I gotta bring the slide in because I'm gonna raise my jacks probably. Actually, yeah, I wanna raise my jacks to show you how flat that leaf spring is, and then I'm gonna put the jacks back and I'm gonna start working. So I'm gonna bring my tools, I'm gonna set my workspace here. And we're going to retract it. The rear, yeah. So the back start lowering. Okay, I think we are good. So let me show you those leaf springs. Oh, still not in the air, but yeah, as you can see, they have already start getting almost flat. This is the front one and the back one. Same thing on this side. It's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, you can see that one. Okay, so this is what I have. Nice one, huh? And payload much higher than what currently on this trailer. Honestly, I'm thinking the manufacturer shouldn't put 4 leaves for such a big trailer. It's I believe around 10,000 pounds dry weight. So to me, the leaf spring is very weak. Again, it's in my opinion. So that's why I'm decided to upgrade to this one. The next thing I have is Morryde shackles. So supposed to be smoother ride, but I never experienced towing with those. So we'll see how that goes. And the next thing we have is web bolt. Yeah, so it has a greasing points, supposed to make quieter, and have the lubrication. Yeah. So I guess it goes like this. Oh yeah, it's gonna be sweet. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first things first, we're gonna remove the covers. The wheel's gonna be next. Okay. Okay, here is my game plan. I'm gonna remove U-bolts first on this axle, that axle, and then I'm gonna remove the leaf springs and then shackle. And the assembly I will start, I will put new shackle, then I will do the leaf spring and then put the axles back. Yeah, I think this is gonna work. Whew, it's getting too hot. Okay, let's get started. Okay, everything is complete. I just grease all the greasing points and tie the bolts. So now I'm gonna put the cups, put the wheels back, lower the trailer, and I'm gonna tight these bolts more because I wanna compress the spring and then tie them. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I have to schedule the test drive and see how it handles somewhere close, not too far, in case I have some issue. So the only thing I make a mistake, this leaf spring, I think I should put it that clips forward. It should be somewhere here instead, so I should put it like other way. Yeah, but it's okay. I don't wanna change it right now. When I do another side, I will make sure I put it on the same direction. Like the other side, those clips, they facing forward towards the front of the RV. Yeah, same, but I think it should be okay. Once trailer sits on a leaf spring, this will compress and should be okay. Yeah. All right. Oh, I'm gonna grease the jacks as well. Totally forget about it. Okay.